May the 4th be with you. I'm here to talk about what active listings are available for you buyers. There's 41 active listings in the city of Palos Verdes Estates. There is 118 active listings in Rancho Palos Verdes, 14 in Rolling Hills, 146 in the city of Torrance, and 118 in Redondo Beach. In Palos Verdes, the lowest price for a home is $799 currently. And in Rancho Palos Verdes, we have $459,000. We also have Rolling Hills, the lowest price home, $2,495,000. In Torrance, the lowest home, $349,999. In Redondo Beach, the lowest active listing at $499,000. It can be condos, townhomes, it's all a combination. If you want to know how many actives are in this